Let's learn vocabulary in English. Classroom objects. Pencil. It's a pencil. Pen. It's a pen. Eraser. It's an eraser. Sharpener. It's a sharpener. Ruler. It's a ruler. Book. It's a book. Notebook. It's a notebook. Bag. It's a bag. Crayons. These are crayons. Markers. These are markers. Scissors. These are scissors. Glue stick. This is a glue stick. Desk. This is a desk. Chair. This is a chair. Whiteboard. This is a whiteboard. Pencil case. This is a pencil case. Calculator. This is a calculator. Highlighter. This is a highlighter. Pad paper. This is a pad paper. Clock. This is a clock. Table. It's a table. Let's repeat. Pencil. Pen. Eraser. Sharpener. Ruler. Book. Notebook. Bag. Crayons. Markers. Scissors. Glue stick. Desk. Chair. Whiteboard. Pencil case. Calculator. Highlighter. Pad paper. Clock. Table. Great job! You did it! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye!